Assalamu alaikum and hi. In today's video, we are going to discuss about difference between drugs and medicines. So let's start the video. Definition: drugs. A drug is in any chemical substance that affect the process of living organism. This includes substances of natural, synthetic, or semi-synthetic origin that can be used for therapeutic, diagnostic, or recreational purposes. While medicines refers specifically to drugs that are used for therapeutic purpose in preventing, diagnosing, or treating disease, disorders, or medical condition in human or animals. Drugs have many and wide range of coverage. It can be used as a diagnostic, therapeutic, and also for different recreational purposes, while medicine is specifically used for therapeutic purposes. Purpose: Drug, drugs have a broader scope and may include substances used for purposes other than therapeutic, such as recreational drugs, diagnostic agent, or substance used in research. Medicines. Medicines are specifically intended for therapeutic use in preventing, alleviating, or curing disease, symptoms, or medical conditions. Drugs are subjected to regulation by health authorities and may purposes including therapeutic use, research, manufacturing, and distribution. This regulation varies depending on the country and the intended use of the drug. Medicines are the subset of a drug. Very important. Medicines are the subset of a drugs that are specifically regulated for therapeutic uses. They undergo rigorous testing for safety, efficacy, and quality before approval for clinical use. Regulation agencies such as FDA in the United States or the EMA in Europe oversee the approval and monitoring of medicine. So you can say that purified form of drug is medicine, or the subset of drug is medicine. Administration. A drug can be administered via various routes, including oral, by mouth, parenteral, injection, topical, applied to the skin, inhalational, breathed into the lungs, or rectal, administered through the rectum. The route of administration depend on factors such as the drug properties, intended effect, and patient factors. Medicines are typically administered according to specific therapeutic regimes prescribed by healthcare professionals. In medicine, we use therapeutics, not patient compliance, as much in the case of drug. The dose, route, administration, frequency, and duration of treatment are determined based on factors such as the patient condition, age, weight, and comorbidities. Scope of use. Drug may have a wide range of use beyond therapeutic applications, including recreational, research, industrial, or diagnostic purposes. They can act on various physiological systems and may have a diverse effect on the body. Medicines are used specifically for therapeutic purpose in preventing, diagnosing, or treating disease, symptoms, or medical conditions. They are intended to improve health outcomes and alleviate suffering in patients. Very important to consider. Cocaine is a drug with various uses, including recreational, anesthetic, historically, and vasoconstrictive properties in medicines. So, cover a wide range of and have wide scope of use. Aspirin is a medicine used for its analgesic, anti-inflammatory, and antipyretic effect. All these are therapeutic effect. And aspirin is a purified form, so it is called medicine in the treatment of pain, fever, and inflammation. So summaries. In summary, while drug and medicines are related concepts, they differ in their scope, purpose, regulation, administration, and intended use. So we have five parameters: scope, purpose, regulation, administration, and intent of use. A drug encompasses a broader range of substances with various implications, while medicine specifically refers to drug used for therapeutic purpose. Very simple and precise definition. Drug used for therapeutic purpose is medicine. In preventing, what are the purposes of medicine? Is the prevention, diagnosing, and treating disease of medical conditions. So this is all about drug and medicine. Thank you so much for your time. And if you learned something valuable from this video, Please give me a favor, like this video, subscribe this channel, and share with your friend. Thank you so much for watching.